Becoming even more productive in Excel is an excellent course for learning more about the advanced features of Microsoft Excel. This session is offered for either Excel 2007 or 2010. It consists of two 30-minute training webinars. It comes with a 40-page training workbook that contains step-by-step instructions and is accompanied by 30 days of priority support. Here are a couple topics that will be covered in this webinar. Simplifying VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, using the advanced sort and filter for cleaner views of your data, using the autofill feature for days, months, and custom lists, and much more. Let me show you a quick example of one of the features we'll cover in this webinar. Here we are in Excel 2010. There are some excellent shortcuts for working with Excel that aren't readily known and used. One of these treasured shortcuts is for clearing a range of cells. If you highlight a range of cells, left-click on the drag handle in the bottom right corner, and drag your cursor back over the same group of cells, when you release your mouse, the cells will be cleared. By adding one keystroke, you can also clear formatting. Again, highlight the range of cells, hold down the Control key, left-click on the drag handle, and drag back over the same group of cells. As you'll see, not only are the cells cleared, but the formatting that existed is gone as well. This can be a great time saver. Add Becoming even more productive in Excel to your shopping cart now. Still have questions? Here's our contact information. Don't forget, time is a limited resource. Make the most of it with Turner Time.